Would you like some coffee?
Will you like some coffee?
People do this every single day. They use will when they should say would, and it makes them sound unnatural, rude, or just wrong.
Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use will and when to use would. No more guessing, no more embarrassment.
Welcome to WordGlow English, where basic words stop and real English begins. Let's start with will. This one is powerful tide. It's about the real future. Things that YL happen. I will help you. This is a promise. A real one. You are sure this will happen.
Use will when you're making a decision right now, in the moment, or a definite promise about the future.
Easy, right? Good. Because here's where most people crash the car. Because would, Ty, that's a completely different world. And most English learners get it totally backwards.
I would like the pasta, please.
Would is the word of politeness and imagination. When you want something politely pack, use would. Would you like coffee? This is polite, warm, professional. Will you like coffee? That's not English. Don't say that. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Would also lives in the world of imagination. Things that are not real, but... Now, quick question. If someone says, would you marry me? Are they proposing F or real? Or just imagining it? Ha! Lock this in. Will taps real, certain future. Would taps polite requests and imaginary situations. But here's the part that trips up even intermediate English speakers. What happens when will and would sound almost the same but mean something completely different? Now here's where it gets REEL, conditional sentences. This is the grammar that separates good English from GR8 English. First conditional, real possibility. If it rains, I will stay home. It might actually rain. This is a REAL plan. SE can conditional pound, imaginary or unlikely. If I were rich, I would buy a jet. Am I rich? Sadly, no. But in my imagination, absolutely. The difference? One is real. One is imaginary. That's it. If it can happen, will. If it's just a dream right now, would. In a real professional context, if you send that email, I will handle the reply. That's a promise.
Real.
Professional. Use would here and it just sounds off. Okay, quick quiz. Ready? No pressure. Except all the pressure. If I had time machine, I go back to school. Will or would? What do you think? Type it in the comments. I read every single one. Here's the truth nobody tells you. How you use will and would doesn't just show your grammar, it shows your character. Will you bring me water? It's not wrong, but it sounds demanding, even rude.
Would you bring me water? That's a person who knows how to speak.
These phrases? Learn them, use them. These are the sentences that make native speakers think, wow, this person really knows English.
Happy to take on that responsibility.
In a job interview, saying I would be happy to do that instead of I will be happy to do that, it sounds more professional. Okay, wait, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but I've heard native speakers use will and would interchangeably. Yes, they do. Native speakers also put You've learned the rules, you've seen the examples, but there's one final secret. The thing that will make will and would. The secret? Before you speak town, feel the situation. Is this real? Use will. Is this polite or imaginary? Use would. That's the whole rule. Will, real, certain, now. Would, polite. Imaginary, hypothetical. Keep these two worlds.
Would you like some coffee?
Remember that moment at the start of this video? That mistake? You won't make that mistake anymore. Because NOW, you know. Every word you learn correctly is one step closer to the English speaker you're becoming. Will versus would is not just grammar taste, it's confidence. And YOU have it now. Nowadays, your homework. Go to the comments right now and write one sentence using will and one sentence using would. I'm watching, and I actually reply. Can you help me? And could you help me? Are they the same thing? They're not. Watch that video and you'll see exactly why. I'm so glad you're here learning English with WordGlow. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson, and I will see you in the next one.